Hey y'all! Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you guys how to make a simple, delicious breakfast recipe using puff pastry. And puff pastry is really popular right now. And it is a pastry that is golden on the outside, crispy and flaky when you bite into it. So be sure to stay throughout the video to learn this delicious recipe. What we call on our take on it, we call it the, what do you call it?
Bacon, egg,
ham, and cheese puff pastry breakfast. Whatever. Anyways, let's try it.
All right, let's dig right in.
Show them. Whoa.
Like that?
Yeah. Mmm. It's crispy and flaky. I love how I bit into the bacon, egg, and ham all at once. That was a good bite.
Super yummy and easy to make at home.
I love it. You can't go wrong having this for breakfast. If I'm out at a cafe right now or, you know, getting coffee, I see a good puff pastry, I'll order it immediately. So you can make this right at home with a few simple ingredients. So let's dive right in.
Alrighty, to create these breakfast puffs, you are going to need puff pastry sheets, 4 eggs, 3 to scramble and 1 to make an egg wash with, ham, your choice of bacon, and your choice of cheese. Let's prep and set a few ingredients to the side. All these ingredients will come together and be used later. First, we will start cooking the bacon, and since I am cooking turkey bacon, a little cooking oil is needed because the turkey bacon is lean, so it doesn't render much fat or grease to be cooked in. Cook your meat to its desired temperature. When done, take it off the pan and set it aside, and go ahead and cut that into bite-sized pieces like so. Next, we will scramble our eggs. Gently push the egg towards the center of the pan, and once it's fluffy and done, set it to the side. Now that we have all the ingredients prepared, we can get started assembling our breakfast pastries. Also not shown in the video is whisking one of our eggs to make an egg wash that we will use later. Take out 2 of the puff pastry sheets. Make sure you lay the side with lines up on the table. Then cut each of your puff pastry sheet into 6 equal rectangle pieces like so. Now you're ready to fill in with all the ingredients. Start laying the following ingredients on the puff pastry sheet: eggs, ham, bacon, and top it off with shredded cheese or whatever cheese of your choice is. Take another puff pastry sheet and place it on top like so. You can even gently stretch it to give it a bit more coverage. Then you can seal in the filling by crimping the edges all around like so with a fork. It'll look like a giant ravioli. Place it on a baking sheet and repeat this process 5 more times. Now with a knife, we'll add a couple of slits along the top to allow ventilation during baking, or else they will pop open and explode, and that would be a bad deal. To make sure these get a really nice golden brown color, go ahead and lightly brush them with an egg wash and pop them in the oven to bake at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes or until they look beautiful golden brown, like this. And there you go, breakfast puff pastry with bacon, ham, egg, and cheese. Make sure you serve them nice and hot, fresh from the oven, and that's basically it. The puff pastry is super crispy and flaky on the outside and cheesy on the inside, and just delicious. And this bacon, ham, egg, and cheese puff pastry works well as a really great breakfast option. And honestly, I think these would be really good with some hot sauce too.
And there you have it. That's how you make something so simple and delicious for breakfast. If you like what you see today, please press the like and subscribe button and the bell button down below for future notifications. And let us know what you think about our recipe today down in the comments below. We'll see you guys next time on our next video. Peace.
Bye. Peace.